Hi everyone, Sumit Chandra this side, and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials. Welcome to Power BI monthly update series. In today's video, we are diving deep into the latest features and improvements released in August 2025 by Microsoft. Whether you are a business user, data analyst, or Power BI enthusiast, there are something here for you. So let's get started. Let me show you the blog post first. This is the official blog post released by Microsoft for August 2025, and you can see the contents. So we have some major updates in Copilot and AI section. We have one important update in reporting section. We have some updates on modeling section, and apart from this, we have some updates on data connectivity and visualization sections as well. We will start with Copilot and AI updates. Copilot in embedded reports for SharePoint Online. First up, Copilot is now available in embedded Power BI reports on SharePoint Online. Just enable Copilot option when embedding reports. Make sure your organization has Copilot enabled and your workspace is on Power BI Premium or Fabric capacity. Copilot to write measure descriptions now generally available. Copilot is now generally available for writing measure descriptions. Just click a button and Copilot generates a clear description for each measure. A great help for report users to understand metrics without reading DAX expressions. Filtered summaries and answers in standalone Copilot. This is a preview features. Finally, the standalone Copilot experience now supports filtered report summaries and answers. That means Copilot can apply filters intelligently to your questions like sales in 2025 or 24 without having to open the original report, making conversations more seamless. Now let's move to reporting section. Org apps in Pro Workspace. This is also a preview features. Reporting gets a boost with org apps now supported in Pro Workspace as well. You can now create multiple tailored org apps within a Pro Workspace. Now let's move to modeling section. Edit data model in Power BI service. This is a preview features as of now. Data models can now be edited directly in Power BI service via Power Query with improved error handling and native query support. Native queries are now supported when connecting to a data source in Power Query. Plus, Microsoft plans to remove the workspace level preview switch soon, moving control to the admin portal. Let me show you how we can edit semantic model in Power BI service. So you can see I opened my Power BI service and we are in this workspace. In this workspace, we have this report called Global Superstore Dashboard. So let me click here on the semantic model and you can see we are landed into this screen. Now we can click on Open Semantic Model button. So you can see the relationship and on the right side we have all the tables and the other features. So now if you want to edit any elements of this model, so first we need to change this viewing to editing. So now you can see the status has been changed to editing mode and here you can see all the options are enabled now. Earlier, some options are grayed out. So now we are in editing mode. Now, if we want to edit any Power Query steps from service, we need to click on more icon and we need to click on edit queries. You can see the Power Query screen and it is similar to Power BI desktop version. In the right hand side, you can see all the applied steps. So you can modify any steps, you can remove any step, or if you want, you can add any steps as well. And once done, you can click on save button. Once you click on save button, it will immediately incorporate the changes in the semantic model. Now again, let me move to the blog post. Now we will discuss about TMDL view enhancement. In TMDL view, you can now script named expression like Power Query parameters and drag entire selections of measures, tables, or columns into the editor to script many objects at once. So let me show you how we can do this. I opened a desktop file and here you can see I am on TMDL view and here you can see we have 6 measures. So if you drag and drop this measure table here, we can see all the measures at once. And now if we want, we can modify multiple measures at once and we can hit on apply button to see the changes in our semantic model. If you wanted to learn more about TMDL view, check out the link from here. Script object selection. Previously, scripting all measures in TMDL view required manual selection. Now, user can drag selection measures, tables, or columns from the Model Explorer into the TMDL code editor to script all objects within the selection. Now, let me move to the blog post again. Mirrored Azure Databricks catalog for direct link. With this release, you can use mirrored Azure Databricks catalogs to bring in direct link tables into Power BI desktop semantic model via the one link catalog, expanding your data source options. Semantic model refresh templates with Fabric data pipelines. This is a very important and this is a preview features as of now. Finally, semantic model refresh templates let you automate refresh workflows using Fabric data pipelines. Use ready-made templates like event-driven or scheduled refreshes and chain activities like refresh plus team notifications. This is a low-code and efficient experience. Apart from these, they have some updates on data connectivity and visualization sections as well. And that's wrap up August Power BI features summary. Let me know which feature you are most excited about in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon for the new video alerts.